गाइस अभी हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस करने वाले हैं डॉज रैम ट्रक का। इसको ऑफ रोड फील मिलने वाला है, जो जो फीचर्स होने वाले हैं वो सब बताने वाला है। वो लोग ही चलाएंगे। थैंक्स, आगे बैठता हूँ, चलेगा ना? थैंक यू। हेलो।
Hi, how are you?
गुड, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. You ready?
When you're ready.
Okay. So we're driving the Motor Trend Truck of the Year 2019 half ton. Are
Okay.
you familiar with Ram?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a new body style.
Okay.
Other things that have made it the Motor Trend Truck of the Year are it's a new air suspension system all the way around.
Okay.
Lots of additional safety features, and probably the other main one is its capability for payload increase and towing.
So what's the payload?
So on this model 2700,
Okay.
on towing, because this has e-torque in it, which is a hybrid model that allows it to run off a battery when it's idling, improves the torque. And so this thing will pull 12,750 pounds. Which
Wow.
Best in its class. Yeah, and here's something that you'll like. So actually, as we do this, we can watch it.
Wow. So how much are we pulling?
So right when we get her tight, we're gonna pull 12,750 pounds.
Oh, so you're maxed out on it.
Yeah, and it's actually doing it at about 1,200 RPMs,
Okay.
which that's pretty incredible.
Yeah. I like the screen.
Yeah, and this screen also comes with surround sound, surround camera.
Oh, the 360.
Yeah, so it has sensors all around. It has cameras all around. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
And I like the magnifier. I think that's nice.
Yeah. Especially if you know if you're in the driveway, there are like toys and stuff.
Yeah. So you can actually in this model, because you can adjust the air suspension yourself, you can back under that trailer, run it down. It takes about 40 seconds.
Wow.
Watch the camera, back it up, run it back up, jump out, click it, away you go.
Nice.
Yeah. Lots of new safety features, park assist, lane assist, hill assist. This particular model has all that. It has sound deafening modulators.
Oh, for the road noise.
Yeah. So as we pull up here,
Wow.
isn't that amazing?
Yeah, that's nice.
About 25 decibels, actually.
You can't hear anything.
No, I think that's incredible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dual pane glass, still steel and everything like it has. This is a new feature. So it has a full panoramic sunroof, but only half of it opens.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you're not getting blown on all the time because I want it open.
Yeah. But can you open the rear?
That does not open.
It doesn't. Okay, so it's just for that glass.
Here to kind of give you an example of the suspension system. So actually this truck will level itself for weight this way and this way. It has what's called active shutters actually in the grill, so it can open up to get more air, close to get better mileage. As you're driving down the road, aerodynamically this truck is now over the top instead of around, so that you don't catch the mirrors,
Okay.
which is another reason that the mileage has gone up.
Now, do you have to put super unleaded or regular unleaded is good? Ready.
85.
80. Okay, so that's actually below. 87 is what we use.
Yeah.
for regular.
It has a stability modulator, which I'm going to show you. So basically, as we're driving around here, when we get around to the other side, it's going to be on 3 wheels. And actually, you'll feel it going like this to try to level itself,
Yeah.
which is kind of especially for like an off-road vehicle. You know, if you bought a Rebel, which is another model of this truck, but it's an off-road vehicle.
Okay.
And you're going to go do these kinds of things. You're not going to do that in a limited. This is more like driving down the road.
Yeah, it's like in the city type.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
Go slow enough so you can feel it.
Looks like you're gonna touch the floor over there.
Yeah. Yeah. Your wheel's off the ground right now.
Wow.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
Now watch the back. Now it's doing it. You'll get the Hemi. You get all the horsepower.
Wow.
This model has front side air bags. It also has park assist, hill assist, lane assist. So when you get out of your lane,
Wow.
I'm going to have it parked for us unless I've done something to deactivate it. Last time I couldn't get it to work, so we'll see if I did something wrong. Because I'm kind of new at this too.
Yeah, it's a redesign, so
Yeah, so you pull up here and you hit the park assist, and then it's reading and telling us what we're supposed to do. So right now, Active Park Sense is searching.
how much does this run?
This truck here is about 67,000. So it says it found a space. Stop and remove hands from wheel.
So
Shift-
it will park by itself.
Well, we're hoping if I did things right.
Wow. So
So right now, as you can see, it's parking itself.
wow.
I'm not touching it.
Yeah, that's
And
awesome.
If you go too fast or whatever, it not only will squawk at you, it'll slam on the brakes. But see, it's squawking at me now
Yeah.
because it thinks I'm getting too close.
So the steering is going to turn again. Wow. This is like the Tesla truck.
Yeah. Yeah, especially with the screen.
Yeah.
And you can deactivate it by grabbing the steering wheel or by shutting it off, either one. Did you
Wow.
feel it go? Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah. So base model price is about 45,000, and then depending on what you want for add-ons, this is kind of a top end.
Yeah.
So I think they max out about 69, but this one's about 67.
But I'll tell you what, after looking at all this, if I would want to buy a truck, it's going to be this.
Fun and the ride is big. If you drove this, you'd be like, wow, this is cool.
Yeah.
Especially
Yeah. So we good?
You're
What's your name, sir?
Ron.
Ron. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you
Okay.
guys. Thank
Okay.
you for
Take
doing
care.
this. See ya.
See ya. How likely are you to recommend?
Thanks for writing.
Thank you. It was perfect.
Let me give you a ride. This year was banned.
थैंक यू। निकलते निकलते वो लोग ने एक सर्वे कराया कि कोड चाहिए कि नहीं एंड हाउ वुड यू रिकमेंड द ट्रक। मैंने 10 दिया क्योंकि बहुत मज़ा आया और ये बैग हम लोग को वो लोग ने दी। तो ओके गाइस, ये था आज का ब्लॉग। आई विल सी यू ऑल नेक्स्ट टाइम।